Okay, let's take a look at how I've got my SC-45 set up. Let me get it off of the wall here. On the outside of this pouch, I've got the Hazette pouch. This was a tool of the day at KC Tool one time. I'll try to put a link to that in the video description. And let's take a look at it. So it comes with your pliers wrench and your water pump pliers. These are the 5-inch models of each. And I tell you, these Hazette, these small ones work exactly like the large ones do. These are very, very nice tools here. So that's on the outside. Put them back in. Now on the side here, I've got a knife. Fits perfect right beside that pouch. And this is a little micarta handle knife. Now, if you'll see here, number 24, that's the scalpel blade size. Very common scalpel blade. These are interchangeable, and you can buy these very cheap. These blades very cheap on Amazon. It does have the liner lock here. You can just fold it down. And it's the perfect size for this SC-45. Now this pouch is just held on with this little clip. You can see, and it will not come out because it's got this little catch here. Now let's take a look at the inside. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. I'm going to go ahead and pull it open. On this side, I've got my tool check. Now this is the Imperial. This handle was on this side. I just pulled it off because I don't typically use these small handles like that. But this one is your Imperial, goes anywhere from 3/16 all the way to a 1/2 inch in your sockets. And if you look, you got a full array of bits here, security Torx. You've got your hex drive, your posi drives, your Phillips. You got your Torx bits here and your square bits on this side. So you have a full array of bits here. So that's the Tool Check Plus Imperial without the handle. Now, we'll need metric sockets. This is a Hyper Tough metric sockets. It goes anywhere from 6 to 13. I took the little driver out because we don't need it. We've already got one of those. And so now we've got our Imperial, full set of Imperial, and a full set of our 1/4 inch metric sockets. Now here on this side, we've got our stubby, and this is the adjustable stubby, as you can see, which it does have a 1/4 inch drive on the end of it. You can also pull it out and use it in your impact driver if you wanted to. Oh, there you go. And then you got a bit carousel here with plenty flathead, and you got a couple of squares and your Phillips. This is the 8-in-1 stubby adjustable. Now, on the other side here, I've got this. This is the Vera 816R ESD version. So this is your ESD for electronics. It's got your wrap adapter here on the end. It's got a 1/4 inch bit. I tell you, I like this handle because it's big enough to where you can, it feels like a full-size handle, but it still fits in your pouch here very nicely. Here you got your little snap-on pry bar. I like this little pry bar. You never know. You never know when you need a pry bar, so I decided to keep this in here. On this side, I just have a couple of zip ties that I cut off so they fit in there nice. I've got this Nick Pro pencil, mechanical pencil, as you can see. You can push it and retract the lid back in. Over here, I've got the Olight i3T. Just puts you just need a AAA battery in here. And then I've got the Klein Tools little mini ratchet here. Get the little thumb wheel. I keep this 1/4 inch drive in here. I'll pull it out because I'm thinking about, I just picked something up that I'm thinking about replacing it with. And that's this new Vim Tools part number HBR4. It's a Vim Tools 1/4 inch hex bit micro ratchet with handle, and it is reversible. So here it is. It's got a little rubberized outside. Now the blue here is hard plastic, but it does have this little grip on the outside. As you can see there, it says Vim Tools. Just a very nice little ratchet here. It's got a little thumb wheel. It does have your reversible, right here, your forward and reverse go on this little lever here. This is a nice ratchet by Vim. Like I said, you've got your little lever here for your forward and reverse, rubberized grips, and just a very nice little micro ratchet here. But it's still large enough where you can really get some good torque on it. We'll probably keep this same bit in here. I really like these Vim tools. They make some very high quality tools. So I'm thinking about just keeping this in the pouch. That's the Veto Pro Pack Tech Series SC-45 loadout. See you later.